This is my Ulmer Quilter. It's foldable, portable, and I got it for an absolute steal off of Facebook Marketplace. If you buy one new, it's about $300 plus shipping and tax. I've seen a couple on eBay too, but never for lower than $100. I simply lay the frame on the floor, unsnap this band, fold up the legs, and lock them in place. Once I flip the frame right side up again, I remove these bars and I'm ready to load my quilt. When my quilt is flat and the area I want to quilt is centered on the frame, I can put the bars back in place to secure the quilt. The back bar goes first, and then I can tilt up the hinged piece at the front of the frame and slide in the front bar. For those of you who don't have the budget, or maybe you don't have the space for a floor frame, don't be discouraged, because I've done plenty of quilting on just a basic quilting hoop. I'm going to leave a link for my favorite quilting hoop in the description below, along with some other options that I haven't personally used but look very promising, including a couple budget quilt frames and an Amish hoop style frame. I'm also going to include a link to a video for my dream hoop style quilting frame. It's handmade in Germany. It isn't foldable or portable, but it's beautiful and adjustable, and I want it, but it is so expensive. So it's definitely worth taking a look at. This fluffy gentleman is Mars. He has a deep and abiding love of blankets, quilts, and blanket forts. And now I know he likes to photobomb as well. When he's feeling really playful, I have to put him away if I want to put my quilt on the frame, or he'll get tangled in the blanket and won't let me load it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any additional questions for me, leave them in the comments down below. See you again soon. Bye!